Good morning, everybody. If you saw my last video, I shared why I became a stay-at-home wife, especially when it wasn't on my plan. So today I thought that I would do a video on what my new morning routine looks like. Good morning! Not what you would expect. I don't go to Pilates at 7 a.m. or get up at 6 a.m. and make my husband's breakfast, which I probably should do, but he doesn't want me to do that anyway. Oh no. I need to get batteries today. I'm still using my new Dermatica skincare products, and I actually think they're making a difference. However, I've come out in quite a lot of spots here, and apparently that can be called a skin purge, and it doesn't last long, so fingers crossed. But I will give you more information on that in my skin series video, which I'll do soon for a review. But so far, so good. After I do my face, then I wash Oreo's face, because she's a Shih Tzu and they get a lot of eye problems, and Oreo had cancer when she was 9 months old, so we're very in her eye, so we're very vigilant about making sure her eye's clean and checking for infections and to make sure she's got no lumps or anything like that. Yay! You playing football? For my breakfast, everyone kind of makes fun of me, so I'm quite particular. If I'm having fruit in the morning, sometimes I like Nutella on toast, but if I'm having fruit, I'll have 10 blueberries, and I have to have 10. 4 strawberries split into 3, and then a peach yogurt. I can sometimes go with a different yogurt. Any granola, really, I'm not really fussy with that. That's my morning must-have breakfast. This one is honestly the best. I've had so many, but the Ninja one, it has a handle, keeps it hot or cold. It's literally so good. You can swing it and nothing comes out. Once I have made my own breakfast and made Oreo's breakfast, and then I go to eat my breakfast, I'll either watch it with an episode of something. Right now it's Grace and Frankie. It's I'm rewatching that show because it's so funny. And then I'll study for my theory test. Going to set my theory test in the coming months. So I'm practicing doing a what's it called? I'm doing a mock test. I'm doing a mock test every morning. And I also do puzzles every morning. It literally takes about 10 minutes just to get my brain going, and all that literally takes probably about an hour in the morning. So it's my mornings are so chill and peaceful. Just to be sidebar and be note of appreciation. Look how good this tea is. Actually wait, hang on. There, I can turn it a wee bit more. Oh no, wait. Look at the colour of this tea. That is the perfect tea. Bravo. That means it's a good start to the day. it's now time to start my morning tasks, and they differ like every day depending how the house is. So today the dressing room is like a bomb site, and yesterday I did the washing and it's not been put away. So I'm going to put away the washing and tidy the dressing room. Ooh. Task 1 of the day begins. Yeah, this is going to take a while. This bit's okay. I think Stephen's stolen some of my coat hangers. That's the dressing room completely transformed. So that's basically my morning routine. My final... She probably sees a cat or something. She was literally right here a minute ago and then ran. Now I'm just getting ready to take Oreo a walk because she's like super energetic. Sometimes I would do that in the afternoon, but because she's really energetic right now, I'm going to do it just now. Sometimes I would do yoga right now instead, but I'm going to do that in the afternoon. So I know my routine's not like super productive, but it works for me, it works for Stephen. Cleaning the dressing room, putting the washing away, squaring up the kitchen is what creates a like calm environment for the home. Stephen will come home to a clean house, his clothes are away, tidy house, tidy mind. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see an evening routine or anything else, then please let me know. Bye!